So you can see average FPS maxed out. Stress test. Let's start. Dimensity versus Snapdragon. Yes, still the performance gap is still over here also. Actually, currently you can see the FPS. Actually, it's been on the 9th loop. Actually, this comes with 20 loops. In the first loop, both of them performs exactly the same. No difference between both of them. But this is almost the 9th loop, and you can see the FPS is around 45 to be max 45 versus over here it is showing 60, 70, close to 70 FPS over here. And currently you can see 80 versus 50, 48 versus 76. So you can see approximately 30 FPS difference between these two of them. So that's a big difference. And let's check the temperatures as well. So temperature might be possibly lower on the Vivo X200 Pro. 42.7 is the maximum recorded. 42.7, and over here it's 43.4 is the maximum record. Let's wait. So when it's come to the final 20 out of 20 loop, then we can give a final verdict on which is the best out there. And the frame on the Vivo X200 gets extremely warm. The side frame as well as the back panel along with the camera module over there gets extremely warm over here, and same with this guy as well. Wow, both of them are equally warm over here, and I think a bit more warm is on the IQ13. Okay, so let's see. This is the 20th loop, and now let's check the temperatures. So, and I would be 43.1 is the maximum over here versus 44.9, that means 45 degrees Celsius, or 45 point something, 45 point, oh, 45.4. Okay, 45.4, oh, versus 40, close to 43 around, somewhere it hits. Okay, it's done now. Okay, so this, wow, phones are extremely warm, especially the IQ is really warm. I couldn't even hold with my hands on the IQ, and you can see the stability is 53.7 versus the stability is 70.4. Actually, this is the area where the difference lies, and you can see the best loop score is almost close to 14K versus 15.5K on the IQ13, and you can see the lowest over here was 7.5K versus 11K over here. So you can see literally see the difference, and it started from 13K and ended on 7.4K. okay, and it started on 15K, that means higher, and it ended on let's see, just 10K. So sir, the graph, one more thing is that actually the best loop, I was already said that it's close to 14K versus 15.5K, but the next loop, that means the second loop itself, it's dropped a significant loop, drop approximately almost close to 5K drop, that means 9.3K versus 14K. that much drop happens versus 15.4 versus 15.2 versus 12.6. so it shows only very minor drops, and it goes on and on and on, and leads to minor 14, 12.6, 12.4, then 11. It goes on and on and on.